Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. I know I am. In today's video we're doing something a little different. Today I am going to be depotting this collection of plants that I saved from the clearance section at Lowe's. You can see it needs some TLC, so that's what I'm doing in today's video. And if you like that kind of thing, keep watching, and if not, I don't know what to tell you. Go fly a kite. So yeah, officially entered that phase in my 30s where I start collecting a bunch of plants. And I saw this guy who was desperately in need of some TLC, so I just had to have it. I thought it was 4 separate plants all stuck together. It turns out it was 3. The snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue, whatever you want to call it, is actually one big plant. It's just in different stages, I guess, so that's why there's different colorations. And then there's this pothos that you can see was super root bound, and I just felt so bad for this plant. But I was glad because, you know, I was able to save it. Whatever. Although I did have a bit of a struggle with the snake plant because, like I said, it's all one plant and it's all connected by these thick roots that I just pointed at, which are all a bunch of little mini roots that kind of look like rice noodles or something. It was really cool. I'll show later in the video where I break it, and then you can kind of see all the little strands. It was really cool. But this was like a difficult process trying to break it all up because I was scared to break up the thick roots because I thought it would kill it. Turns out it didn't. The plants are all still good. And this is like a couple months later. Like, I'm so bad about editing. Like, yeah, I've had these plants for a while now. But anyway. But yeah. This was scary. This is definitely a learning experience, but a good one to have under your belt. And then in the next clip that's coming up in a couple seconds is where I'm going to show you where I broke it. Or I break the thick roots, and then you can see the, like, tiny spaghetti noodle, rice noodle veins, roots. Oh my god, I can't talk, sorry. I'm just trying to edit this video. Anyway, this is it. Wait for it, sorry. But yeah, look, see how I'm touching it? Pause for effect. Oh yeah. So yeah, those were the roots. Really cool, right? And I had to do this a couple more times. But yeah, like I was saying before, this is a learning experience because don't do this in your kitchen because there will be dirt everywhere. And then when you go off camera to go get the broom to sweep up, you're gonna notice while in editing that out of the tiny corner is a little buggy wuggy crawling around. I don't know if you can see it. Where is he? Yeah, so he's like right above the leaf and he's just like crawling. And then throughout editing, I've seen him just like in and out of frame, so you might notice him too. But yeah, don't repot things in your kitchen. I have the ADHDs, and sometimes I just get really dumb ideas that seem like really good ideas at the time. And that's why I'm potting plants in my kitchen. But anyway, I ended up putting this cute little palm plant, I don't know exactly what it is, in this pot. Yeah. Sorry, again, it's a weird day. Anyway, it ended up fitting really well in this pot. It's in my bathroom now. I'm going to do a whole plant tour later or in a separate video, but yeah. Ended up working perfectly because of the humidity. Blah, 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 blah. I like the way it looks. Yeah. Yeah, one down, several to go. Feeling positive. Yes, we love a proud Jenny. I really love that plant. But moving on. Also, this was just a repotting day for a lot of plants. I also got these cute little planters like the owl, and you're going to see a couple of other of them later. Is that even a sentence? Anyway, I got them from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree always has really cute planters. I love cute planters, by the way, if anybody ever wants to buy me anything. But yeah, I'm putting this money tree that I've had forever that's lived like several lives and is just still kicking. I may or may not have accidentally let it get sunburned a couple of times. But it's fine. It's fine. It's alive now. She's thriving in the bathroom. She's good. Moving on to the next plant, I decided to put the pothos back into here and, you know, recycle the dirt because that's what we do best. And probably touching the bug or it's going back in there. God only knows. I honestly can't remember at this point in editing if you can see it or not throughout the footage. You may or may not. Who knows? But anyway, I tried to separate the pothos and it was just way too root bound and I didn't want to break it anymore. Poor thing. I was able to, like, as you can see, pull some of the roots. Look at it. Look, it's so many long roots. The poor thing. But yeah, I put it back. I'm gonna put it back in here. And it's still kind of, even at this point, it's still kind of in shock. I've been trying to, like, find the right place for it, get the right amount of light. It still hasn't, like, fully recovered like the other plants, but, you know, she's just trying her best. And we love her. We love a good pothos here. I feel like a lot of people have pothos and it's such a common plant, but it's also such a great common plant. Does that make sense? Anyway, I also learned a cool trick if you're trying to, like, propagate other plants, like in water. You should stick a golden pothos in the water with it. They supposedly produce a lot of extra growth hormones, so it'll help stimulate the other plant. I'm gonna try that and let y'all know how that goes. But yeah, here's the new pothos. Isn't he cute? Okay, moving on. We have another cute planter from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, I'm seriously obsessed with these. They come in like 4s. Like they have 4 different animals in little groups, whatever. I love the squirrel one. It was perfect to have just one single little leaf. And I think it's adorable. I don't have anything else really other to say. It's really hard to keep talking like this. Let me know also in the comments if you like this kind of commentary. This is really hard for me. Here's another plant that I struggled with, like, you know, putting the right arrangement of plants so it has the right, you know, flow and stuff. It's really hard. I took so many plants and repotted them not off camera, but like there's so many extra footage of me like putting it in, pulling it out. Does this fit? More dirt, less dirt, you know. It's a struggle to do plants. I have so much respect for the plant community. I'm just a baby in all of this. But like I said earlier too, I will be doing like a plant tour of all the plants we have, including our garden, because our vegetable garden is really coming along and I'm super proud, and we're about to start producing a lot of produce. Yeah, anyway, here's another snake plant. So cute. Alright, moving on. What do we got next? Yet another snake plant. Yeah, tall boy. I like this one leaf by itself. Like, it has a little baby leaf. You can see that's starting to sprout there. But I like that it's one big leaf and one big pot. The symbology, you know, is pretty beautiful. Also, here we go, using all the dirt. Don't see all the dirt on the floor, though, or that fell in the sink. Thank God I thought to cover the sink holes. Thank God I thought about that. The sink holes. You know what I mean. Anyway, at least my sink was safe. The floor was not. Another snake plant. Ooh, so cute. What's next? Surprise, it's another snake plant. I'm not trying to hate on this snake plant. I really like all the ones we have now. Like, it's so weird. It didn't seem like a lot in that original pot, but it ended up being like, I don't know, 5 extra like snake plants by itself or pots. I don't know. I'm doing this I'm editing as I go. Boom, another snake plant, and we're almost to the end. And guess what? It's 2 more snake plants. But that's fine. I've really enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to show you the full house plant tour. Why was that so hard to say? But yeah, that video is coming soon. I can't wait to show off all of my plants and my garden. Y'all are gonna love that. Trying to think of something else to say because we're almost at the end. But yeah, if you like this video, you know, consider hitting the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Should I do more plant stuff? I'm gonna do it, but let me know what you think. Do you like this commentary? Anyway, here's the end. Here's all the plants. Oh, they all look so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all on the next one. I love you guys. Bye.